So hey guys, welcome back to another video on our gaming YouTube channel. So guys, in this video, I'm gonna do duo versus squad game. So guys, if you don't know, if you know, it's okay what is meant by duo versus squad. But if you don't know, I will explain. Duo versus squad means generally two people versus squad. Means squad means four. So two versus four. Like that, we are gonna play ranked game. Hi Gokul.
Hello,
Hello
bro.
bro. Yeah, let's play. So guys, yesterday I did my video of Genshin Impact. So in that there were 22 likes and my target was 15. So guys, soon I will make another part 2 of the Genshin Impact series. Hello, Google Bro. Yeah. Move. अरे गोकुल गोकुल जी
Yes, bro.
अरे पोकर भाई साहब पोकर रे बाबू
Poker.
पोकर MP40 is literally god mode bro.
Yes, bro.
We'll go to blue zone.
Bro, please, bro, no. I will
Mill?
catch your legs.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so let's go to mill.
Okay,
Hello.
bro.
Bro, we have to be together. If you break this rule means I'll never make my video with you, bro.
Okay, bro.
Because duos is called right. I can easily kill two people. Just for fun. Yeah. I can kill at least two people. With bro, main is I
Okay, bro.
need M8 2B and UMP amma. Without these
Okay,
guns,
bro.
no. Oh, bhai sahab, bro, just I told about UMP. UMP came in my hands.
Bro, SMJ ammo here.
SMG. Ah, no. रुको. OP. Come. Let's go. Don't loot, bro. Come on. I think already some squads are traveling to mill. Come immediately. Come. अरे यार bro, my mouse will suddenly unlock. Means it will lock.
Okay.
So you have to be front of me, in front of me. Wait, let's see anyone is there. Seems to be clear.
I have only short range, bro.
Okay. Bro, James kept request.
Yes, bro. For me also.
What we have to do? We kept request since 30 minutes, bro. He didn't even accept. What we can do now?
Yes, bro.
That's not our
Focus.
fault.
MP5.
OP. MP40, bro.
Thompson, bro. I have.
Thompson, okay. OP here also Thompson, but I'll take UMP.
Enemies, bro.
No. Just I am doing movement speed, bro. अरे यार Google bro, why did you came, bro?
I
You
did
know
not
right?
know that.
I'm doing that. Why did you came in between? क्या? इनमें तो नहीं है. What? Bro, OP glitch, bro. When I went near this, what do you say that ATM? It is
Yes,
showing
bro.
me that zipline option. Scam. Scam into 100. Scam into 100. OP.
Camp 2021.
Yeah, that's right. Lol. I was like shocked. What the hell is this? What is this Google, bro? You're where? You're somewhere in the map. Actually, Gokul,
No, bro. I'm searching for medikits, bro.
here many medikits are there.
I got them, bro.
Actually, one new gun came, no? That something ASC, something will be that name I don't remember. That gun, Munnabe is using that gun in a OP way, bro. He's doing one
That's right.
tap with that gun. He is legend, bro.
That's right.
Nobody
He is
can
a
defeat him.
legend.
Legendary.
Bro, here UMP, bro.
Already I'm having. No need. You take it.
SMG ammo?
Yeah, SMG ammo. No. I don't need more. Alright. AK-47.
Bro, do you want level 3 bag, bro?
Yeah, sure.
From this sector. I will buy.
I have to learn one tap in this gun, bro. This AK-47. Better. I'll keep as scarce. You know one tap, right?
Don't know, bro. Take
We
it.
are we are safe, bro. Because still now no enemies. Let's see, bro. Come here. अरे यार लॉल अरे यार ऐसा थोड़ी ना होता है
Bro, if you make music, you should keep copyright, bro.
no bro for that much small things nobody will do copyright I think so but sometimes it may happen I think not so sure but think so it once already happened to my friend lol just kidding
Bro, you should, you will do these tricks,
what
bro.
what trick which trick
Tricks, bro, in Free Fire.
yeah I'll start I'm not getting nice content bro that's the main problem oh अरे स्नाइपर अरे यार ये क्या है
Bro, can
ओ नहीं यार क्या मजाक हो रहा है क्या कुछ भी I didn't even see that
I
bro
also did not start till now, bro.
ओ भाई bro literally I was in shock what the hell is that it will be good bro if once a time whole squad will do rush means we are gone bro that's why we have to take rotations
Yes,
अरे
bro.
यार ये बकवास है bro don't go don't go
Bro,
don't
when we
go
are when we are doing rank pushes, somebody do medikit battle, bro. Zone battle.
yeah bro once come here google इधर आ जल्दी जल्दी
Yes, bro.
see we will do sniping from this tower अबे ये अरे
Bro,
यार
take some screenshot, bro.
why bro
Wait, I will take one screenshot. Bro, come here, bro. We'll stand and wait.
Okay, wait. अरे यार zone. Oh, yes.
1 second.
अरे यार, I by mistakenly pressed on this. Yes.
Yes, bro.
OP. Come on, let's go. Let's watch from here once. Better.
Bro, come this side, bro. I will also take one screenshot.
No. First we'll go to zone. Then screenshots, fun
Okay,
and
bro.
all. Bro, I think so. Rip English. Okay, I think Google we can get sniper ammo from this dibba.
If there is, just please let me go.
Wait. These days scams are very OP in this Free Fire. Have you know?
Save, bro.
Wait. Don't take sniper, bro.
Okay, bro. SVD.
Lol.
Bro.
Scam. No. Come here. I'll give you.
Bro, we should go and cover, bro. Come here.
Lol.
Bro,
Scam. Guys,
we should not.
scam. Big scam happened with Google, bro. Lol. Google
Scam
likes
2020.
this
Big
SVD.
scam.
So wantedly I took that. Lol. Arey yaar. It is going to direct Windows. नहीं यार, please. We have to watch, and we have to play very carefully. Guys, so here you can see 30 what? I think 27 are alive. So let's see we can do booyah or not. But it's
Bro,
too
come
hard.
here, bro. We will rank push sometime.
Yeah, no. Okay.
We'll sit here. In front, we will see backside.
Okay. Wait. I'll just check out is anyone there in here. Arey yaar, we have to go, bro. We have to go. Come.
Enemies.
Where?
That side, right side. I was firing symbols.
Okay. Don't take fight. आराम से. Come here. We'll go to zone by hiding. Let the zone come. Why to rush?
Go there and left, right side. I think they will come from that side.
3, 2, 1, run. Come here, let's go to that house. I think it will be in the zone. Think so.
Bro, in which app you will do edit, bro?
Filmora, bro. Actually,
I'm also trying to keep a YouTube channel, bro.
Ooh, what's big in that? You can do, bro. Because, yeah. But you have to change your, what do we say? This device. You have to take on another device. If you do the videos with this 1 GB RAM means literally not teasing. But if you do with this 1 GB. Oh, re bhaiya. Enemy spotted, bro. He's offline. Wait. Headshot.
What does that show?
Lol.
Where he is, bro?
He's died. I killed him.
Okay, I did not saw where he is.
Oh, he was there. I think he was offline, or I think he's
Offline.
he's doing some settings and removing unwanted items from his backpack. Who knows?
I think he is chatting.
With whom? Lol.
I don't know.
अरे यार.
They will keep Free Fire in recent apps and they will go and chat with their girlfriends.
Hey bro, no 18 plus bro. अरे यार. अरे यार.
I'm
Guys,
just
did you
kidding,
see
bro.
how kind of person Gokul bro is? अरे गोकुल, जोन में मर जाएगा क्या?
Bro,
Bro, watch out. In peak, OP enemies बोलते. अरे यार, भाई.
I think we should go to that schoolhouse, bro.
Cool. Okay. I think our teacher is on leave. Lol. अरे यार, अरे 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 अरे. See, अरे यार, OP बोलते. Guys, did you see this? We are top 20. If those two guys will die, no, we are top 11.
One fellow eliminated.
Lol. Catch your gun and do camping here. Top 10 guys. So let's see that we can do Booyah or not. No.
Bro, we should see backside also, bro. Somebody will play a zone game.
Yeah, that's what. देखना पड़ेगा बेटा.
Bro, we should off our pet, bro.
Yeah.
Bro, once stand up and gym, bro.
Why you want to go? OP? Sit. अरे भाई.
Enemies.
That's what. Oi. Bro, sit down. After the zone comes near to us, let's run.
Bro, I'm getting goosebumps.
Same here. When zone will come, 3, 2, 1, run. Enemies here. अरे भाई, स्क्वाड आ गई. इसकी ऐसी की तैसी. अरे यार, मार दिया. Bro, go. Ball. Oh shit.
अरे भाई मेरे पास 2-1.
Okay, no problem guys. So that's all for the video guys. Hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe guys. Guys, please like and subscribe. So that was our match was a squad, and if you don't know how to like, I'll just show you guys. So first of all, hit on the bell icon, then there will be a red color button. On that it will be written subscribe. Hit on that, then very right corner you will able to see an bell icon. Set that to all and do that. So guys, that's all for the video. Hope you enjoyed. Bye. Alright yaar, Gokul bro, are you there?
Alright, that's one fellow, 1-1.
Yeah,
I'm there.
1v3. No, 2v3 now. No. Let's see. Alright boy, he seems to be pro.
They had Booyah, bro.
No. Arey yaar, he's eliminating bro. No. OP. So guys, that's all for the video. Hope you enjoyed. Like, share, subscribe. Till the next video guys. फिर मिलेंगे चलते एक और नई वीडियो में. तब तक bye.